Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain and Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we will see a term called 40-foot equivalent container. The container is defined by its length, although the height is not standardized and ranges between 4 feet 3 inches and 9 feet 6 inches, with the most common height being 8 feet 6 inches. It is common to designate a 45 feet container as 2 TEU rather than 2.25 TEU. The standard intermodal container is designated as 20 feet long and 8 feet wide. Additionally, there is a standard container with the same width but double the length of a 40 feet called a 40 feet container, which equals 140 feet equivalent unit in cargo transportation. In order to allow stacking of these types of 40 feet intermodal container as the exact length of 40 feet, while the standard 20 feet intermodal container is slightly shorter, having the exact length of 19 feet 10.5 inches. The twist locks on a ship are put at a distance so that two standard 20 feet container have a gap of 3 inches, which allows a single 40 feet container to be put on the top. The 40 feet containers have find wider acceptance as they can be pulled by semi-trailer truck. The length of such is a combination within the limits of national road regulations in many countries, requiring no special permission. As some road regulation allow longer trucks, there are also variation of standard 40 foot containers in Europe and most other places. A container of 45 feet may be pulled as a trailer. Container with a length of 48 feet or 53 feet are restricted to road and rail transport in North America. Although longer than 40 feet, these variants are put in the same class of 40 foot equivalent containers. Thank you for watching. Bye.